Hey, Julie, it's Andrea.
Oh, hey. Do you need me to come in tonight? I'm a little tired from all the overtime, but I can make it if you need me.
Actually, no, I'm calling because they don't want you to come in at all anymore. You do sound really tired, though, so maybe you can enjoy the time off.
They're firing me?
Yeah, sorry, but you haven't been producing the same quality of work as you have been before, and management has caught you on your cell phone a few too many times. And you know how they are about company policy, Julie, so... But hey, I've got to go, so take it easy, okay?
They're firing me?
Julie, you did this one to yourself.
I love you, Julie. I love you so much. It's just that when you're with me, it's like you're not even really there. This absence that you treat people with, it hurts. And unless you learn to be content with what you have, it's gonna end up hurting you too. I don't know, I guess you put on this front sometimes. But it's like you're never really content with where you are. Are you? It seems like you always want to be somewhere different. And I love you, but I can't deal with this anymore. I've been offered a job in Chicago, so I'm leaving. I'm leaving you. I'm leaving town, and I'm at the airport right now. And my plane leaves at 8, so please come and say goodbye if you have the time. For once.